Dear girls, be happy, be bright, and be you. Welcome back to school. Back to school. I'm so excited to meet you. Listen, in life, you don't have to always be the best, but you can always do better, okay? I'm here to guide you through. I'll be your English teacher. My name is George Lane. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in education. I have been in the classroom teaching for the past 10 years because it's my passion. I feel good learning and teaching you young minds, Also, I care and I teach children with special needs. I enjoy exercising, cooking, eating healthy, and also reading. My passion is teaching. I love to see young minds learn, get inspired, and grow to be well-rounded individuals. Please do well to attend classes daily and be very cooperative. Below, you're going to see the rules and regulations for our online classroom. Do well to listen.